In this video, I'll detail how to use iOS 18 tinted icons. So if you're using an iPhone that supports the new iOS 18, so here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily color grade your iPhone home screen icons and how you can use either the iOS 18 tinted icons or iOS 18 dark icons. So basically here, I'll show you how to make your iPhone screen color changes from light to dark or from dark to tinted. So if you're not on this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is to make sure you are running on the latest iOS 18. So this is compulsory. That is the prerequisite for you to use iOS 18 dark mode or to use iOS 18 tinted icons. So if you're not on this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Once you select general, I want to scroll down. Click on software update. Then wait for your iPhone to check for the available update. If iOS 18 is available for you, go ahead and upgrade to iOS 18. Otherwise, you have to wait until the new iOS 18 is available for you to be able to use the iOS 18 dark icons or iOS 18 tinted icons. Now, once you're on iOS 18, all you just need to do is come back to your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the home screen just like this. Click on edit at top left. Then select hard widget or customize. Once you click on that, locate tinted at the bottom right and click on it. Then this is going to turn on tinted icons on your iPhone on iOS 18. So you can customize the color of your icons on your iPhone home screen like this to switch on it using the color grid option. So just drag this and use a perfect color combinations for your iPhone icons. So once you're satisfied, just click outside and this is going to turn the app icons to the newly selected tinted icons. So this includes all the icons you have on the app library. Now to switch from the tinted icons to dark mode, just click on the iPhone home screen just like this, and once you see it jiggling, click on edit, then select customize. Then once you selected that, just choose either light or dark. So once you selected dark or light, then come outside and that is going to disable the tinted icon, and then it's going to turn on light mode on your iPhone app icons. You can also select automatic to automate the process or to switch between dark icons and light icons on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can easily use the tinted icon. And to switch to dark icons, just come here and select dark icons. So that's going to make your iPhone icons change to dark. So this is basically for only iOS 18 users, and only supported devices can switch between light, dark and tinted icons on your iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.